This is Jerrica from Maxizm Construction Machinery Company Lipin. Now I'm in Qingdao port. Today I want to introduce to you HOWO dump truck. This is 10-wheel dump truck and the tire is double cone brand. And for this dump truck, the operating weight is 12 tons and the operating capacity is 40 tons. Okay, let's check the detail of cab. Look at the cabin. It's equipped with air conditions and adjustable seat and berth, which let you more comfortable when you drive it or take a rest. The cabin provides super large interior space and broad vision. This helps create more comfortable operation environment for operator. Let's check more details. Okay, let's check the bucket. For this bucket, the length is 12.6 meters, the width is 2.3 meters, and the height is 1.5 meters. For this dump truck, the fuel tank capacity is 300 liters, and the transmission is 10 forward and 2 reverse. Okay, let's check more details of hydraulic system. Let's check the detail of engine. This machine is equipped with VCHI engine, which can meet China 9 road Stage 2 emission standards, equivalent to US EPA Tier 2 and EU Stage 2. Okay, that's our information.